Greetings, and welcome to the Carbonite demonstration of Carbonite Backup for Office 365 Backup Configuration and Management. In this short demo, we're going to show you how easy it is to begin and configure the backup process. So let's go ahead and get started. After the initial configuration was done, either manually or through our automated wizard, you will then want to configure the actual backup of your Microsoft Office 365 data through the Service Portal, which is a very simple process. We access the Service Portal through the Admin Portal, and just click on the Carbonite Backup for Office 365 icon on the right. If this is your first time accessing the Service Portal, you're simply asked if you want to back up the objects already discovered, like Exchange, OneDrive, SharePoint, Office 365 Groups, Teams, and Project Online. If you recall, the object scan was set up earlier and is a separate process that simply discovers what's in your Microsoft Office 365 environment. If you've accessed the Service Portal before, it'll look more like this, showing you all of the different collaboration tools that have been protected. If you select the gear icon, you can configure your backup frequency. Carbonite Backup for Office 365 can back up your entire environment up to 4 times a day. You would select the number of backups, and when the first one will start, the remaining are automatically configured. By having 4 unique backups in a given day, you'll have a larger backup history to select for restore. This is beneficial as data frequently changes, and this ensures a very low recovery point objective to reduce data loss. Click on more details for any particular job to see the history of the job, including any issues that may need to be addressed. Now let's talk about the Job Monitor. This is where you see all of your backups and restores that have been performed. You can even generate reports for particular jobs if desired by clicking on the icon on the right. Reporting is important to many organizations to prove the successfulness and completeness of protection. In addition, there's a separate reporting section as well. From here, you can get an overview of the licensing as well as an overall view of all of the backups. Also, there's a System Auditor section similar to the Admin Portal. The System Auditor section is a read-only audit trail of every backup and restore that has been performed by any user. In addition to reporting, auditing is another valuable tool for IT teams to be able to document what has happened and may even be required in your market. If we go over to the general settings, there's a couple settings that your organization may or may not want to configure. First of all, you can configure whether or not your organization wants to back up the deleted items folder or the junk email folder. Depending on your organization, you may need to protect one or the other. Also, if your organization utilizes public folders for Microsoft Exchange, Carbonite Backup for Office 365 can back up public folder metadata. Also, under the General section, we can perform account management to give users the ability to manage backup jobs and or perform restores. General is also where you configure notifications for the backup jobs themselves. The last section to discuss is one of the great features of Carbonite Backup for Office 365. Click on Data Subject Access Requests on the left. This is where you can discover and delete data for users that may be part of any GDPR requests, along with the ability to track these requests as well as part of the right to be forgotten aspect. This is especially useful for IT teams that are bound by GDPR or other requirements as they are passed and implemented. This brings us to the end of the Carbonite demonstration of Carbonite Backup for Office 365 Backup Configuration and Management. To learn more and to stay informed, please visit us at carbonite.com. I'd like to thank you for your time and have a great day.